Okay, today's session we will learn how to create a data flow in a SAP Data Warehouse Cloud. So go to the data builder option. There we can go to the data flow tab. Here we can see new data flow. Click on data flow, and in the left hand side I think already we discussed about this repository and the sources. Okay, I'm opening the repository tables. I can select the sales fact here and source. So when you drag and drop here, it asking you want like as a source or target. So I'm keeping, but I'm selecting the source here. Okay, and what else? So let me select the okay sales fact and sales order details or sales. We have any sales option like okay salesperson, select salesperson, and here also source, right? See now we have two separate one. Let me drag and drop here. Okay, leave it. But if you see here we have like join, we have union, we have projection, aggregation, script, and add table. This is nothing but like a calculation. So we need to join these two. I'm using this join. I'm placing here and I'm mapping here from other source, map it to this. Okay, now go to the join, check the details. Here we can join and what type of join you can give it, inner join, left join, outer join. And here we can like a join definition, maximize this window. Okay, so here I can join the name you can give, like I'm giving inner join. And if you see here salesperson ID is matching, okay, then I think don't give inner join, left join, left outer join. Sales fact is a left table, salesperson is a right table. This is a master data table, and we are joining with the based on the salesperson ID, and we will display the full name of the salesperson and manager ID. Okay, manager ID is not there in the left hand side. Yes, that is I think enough. So now the columns, what are the columns you required? Here you can select it and you can see the change name and remove column, duplicate column. I mean, if you want to make it duplicate, yes, but if you don't want to display the column, you can remove the column. Advanced properties. So here, okay, automatic optimization. That is fine. So I think we don't do anything. Join definition is done. Minimize this. Okay, so what is the error? Check it here. The operator generally as uncounted input and output. Okay, I think that there is no output, so that's why it's saying like this. But here, do one thing, keep it here. Okay, now and here, like if you want target table, like in the result set, you can create a new target table, or you can use the existing one like this. And keep it here. It will ask you why it's automatically selected. No, it should not ask. Okay, I think this is the view. So salesperson, let's select this one table. Yes, it's asking target table, or if you keep the target and it is available, you can map it here. Okay, but I don't want to create the existing table. I want to use a template table. I'm creating the new table and this one map it. Okay, and here check the errors. What is the error? As not created a template. Oh, that is fine, not created. Okay, I think we need to, if we use a table, new template table, first we need to create and we need to deploy it. Here we have an option, create and deploy table. Okay, so you must do that one. Yes, the name you have to give, like table one I given, that is okay. Okay, creating, deploying the table, the same structure, whatever structure you mapped to the from source to target, the same structure will be created in the table. Okay, so see now it's created and deployed. So okay, we don't do anything. Minimize this and save it now. Okay, this is data flow 1. Okay, give the same name, data flow 1, and deploy it. So this is how we can map multiple tables, and we can do joins, union, and all this one, and we can insert into the target table. So this is very good. So graphically we are doing this one. So source to target. So now successful deployment successful. Okay, now check the data. Okay, yes, I think there is no data. Okay, take it. Select the table one and check the data preview of the table. It's saying there is no data found, no data found. Yeah, why? Because we just created the data flow and we need to run the data flow. Right here we have an option. Run data flow. Run it. It's preparing. Data flow was started now. So if you want to see, here you can see the last run is today's date and status is running. Okay, dynamic memory allocation, automatic restart on failure, run failure. If you want, you can check these options. And if you want to see the status, here we have option. If you want to check the changes, you can click the refresh option, but still running. I'm going to the option open data flow monitor. Here we can see data integration monitor. It will go directly to there. See, automatically selected when I click there. See, you get the message. Now it's completed. Here you can see the steps. So when, what time it started and what time is completed. It started 22:05 and completed 22:06. Okay, direct execution and the name triggered by, you can see, yeah, and steps also. Task started, start running, and the source one has started, source one has started, data flow now started. And there are multiple steps. You can see all this information. Now close it and go back to, here we have like, run, and we can schedule the this one also, create schedule. That we will discuss later, how we can create a schedule and all, and run data flow. We can do run data flow. Okay, and yes. So now go back. Yes, see now data preview of this table. Minimize this. Yeah, see now data loaded from source to target. Before there was no records loaded. Now all the records are loaded. Right. So this is how we create a data flow. And I think we used only join, but we have other options like a union and projection and aggregation and script. So this all you can use it and we can create it. Okay. So thank you.